psychologically, psychologically, psychologist, psychology, psychological, psychologically.
In a way that is connected to a person's psychological state.
Psychologically disturbed.
Originally. Originally.
Origin, original, originate, original, originally.
At the beginning or before any changes.
Originally it was a bedroom, but we turned it into a study. Consideration. Consideration. Consideration, consider, reconsider, considerate, inconsiderate.
When you think about something very carefully.
After careful consideration, we decided to offer her the job. The whole matter needs to be given careful consideration.
When you think about a particular fact or detail and let it influence your decision.
It may be cheap to buy, but you've got to take into consideration the money you'll spend on repairs.
Something that you have to think about when you make decisions or plans.
Safety is our main consideration. Cost, of course, is another consideration. Result. Result.
To cause a particular situation to happen.
The fire resulted in damage to their property. Range. Range.
The amount or number between a particular set of limits.
The price range is from $100 to $200. The product is aimed at young people in the 18 to 25 age range.
A line of hills or mountains.
The country is divided by a huge mountain range.
To have an upper and a lower limit in amount, number, etc.
Dress sizes range from petite to extra large. Prices range between $50 and $250. Curve. Curve.
A line which bends round, like part of a circle.
A curve in the road. The curve of a graph. Chart. Chart.
A drawing which shows information in a simple way, often using lines and curves to show amounts.
A sales chart.
An official list of the most popular songs each week.
They're currently at the top of the charts with their single, Enough. Act. 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 Action. Actor. Act.
To do something, especially in order to solve a problem.
She acted without thinking. We have to act now to stop the spread of this disease.
Something that someone does.
An act of aggression or kindness or terrorism. A kind or thoughtless or selfish act. The simple act of telling someone about a problem can help. Emphasize. Emphasize. Emphasis. Emphasize. Emphasize.
To show that something is especially important or needs special attention.
She emphasized the need for better diet. He emphasized that the driver was not to blame for the accident. You can use italics or capitals to emphasize a word in a piece of writing. Restore. Restore.
To repair and clean something old.
The badly neglected paintings have all been carefully restored. He restores antique furniture. Squash. Squash.
To crush something into a flat shape.
He accidentally sat on her hat and squashed it.
To push someone or something into a small space.
The kids were all squashed into the back seat. Silent. Silent. Silence. Silent. Silently.
Without talking.
She whispered a silent prayer that her wounded brother would not die. The police officer told the criminal that he had the right to remain silent. The minister was silent on or about his plans for the future.
Moving. Moving.
Movement, move, remove, moving.
Causing strong feelings of sadness or sympathy.
She read a moving speech at the funeral. Damp. Damp.
Slightly wet, especially in a way that is not pleasant or comfortable.
The grass is still damp. This shirt still feels a bit damp. It was a damp, misty morning.
Field. Field.
Field. Field.
An area of study or activity.
He's an expert in the field of biochemistry.